लोइद्री स्माइल तौसे बर्लिन कनोदा सेवरोलेट चटकीरो अदुगा नंगी गाड़ी यावबनिना थमंबा यारो बर्लिन लोइरगा नंगोंदा फोन तौर सेवरोलेट की गाड़ी तो लौनिंगबने
Central Warehousing Corporation is a central public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution. And I will give you a snapshot about our department and how it can help you with the topic that export-oriented skills, how it can be beneficial to you. In a nutshell, I will try to. Now, profile of CWC, as I told you, that is a mini Ratna company, central, and it provides complete logistic solutions also. We are working in 440 warehouses, 25 CFS container fill stations, ICT integrated checkposts, air cargo complexes, and integrated checkposts at Petrapol, and 3 temperature controlled warehouses. Now, we are operating around 22 warehouses in 6 states with 2 lakh metric ton capacity. Apart from storage and handling, CWC also provides services in the area of bonded, transportation, TCS. TCS means pest control services. Bonded, whatever the goods have been seized by customs and all this, they would put into our warehouse. For example, narcotics are also put in. Now this is the warehouse, list of warehouses in Assam. This is our warehouses, important of logistics and warehousing, which is my title. I am showing you that this is silo and this type of warehouses we are having, scientific warehouses we are having. Now what is logistics? I tell you that, and though we are dealing mostly on storage of food grains, rice and wheat majorly. So logistics is very important aspect in storage and in export. For example, a rake wagon has came from FCI, and if we do not have a proper logistic solutions, then it will not enter to our warehouses on time, and damage will also charge. And you have seen in news also that wheat and rice is putting in rain because we do not have proper logistic at that time. And it is also related to this packaging, handling, transportation and marketing also. Now type of logistic, as I told you that transportation logistic is very important. Now warehousing logistic, in warehouse, how you put, you have crates, you have machines, how you put these bags inside your warehouse, it also comes as a logistic. Then distribution logistic, how you move your product from your warehouse to different locations. Then supply chain management, this includes all those companies who are associated with us, for example, our handling and transporting contractors and all these things who are joining with us. So they are involved in our supply chain also. And then project logistic, if we go to make any project, for example, now new concept has been came for silo. Now we are not going for these because it will not take, it has a longer duration, no storage loss, no dry, nothing, and no chemical also. So it is a very, very cost effective. And nowadays Mr. Goyal has also highlighted these things that in spite of using the casual labor for putting the bags and stacking and de-stacking, make use of mechanization process which have been done in China. The bags come directly from the trucks and it moves through a mechanized process to the warehouse. Now government initiatives for infrastructure development, that I saw that government of roadways has done this Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana, and we have also involved in unified logistic interface platform. Then regulatory reforms, as I told that Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, industrial and dedicated freight corridors, Bharatmala and Sagarmala projects, Jai Marg Vikas and UDN enabling economic growth. What is warehousing? There are 2 types of warehousing. When I am talking about warehousing, it doesn't matter the warehousing of any cement or warehousing of any industrial good. Industrial good is a very meager part of our warehousing. Our major role is for storing the food grains, which will cater the, what can I say, that which can cater the food security of this nation. That is the objective why Food Corporation of India and Central Warehousing Corporation has been incorporated by ministry. And it is a when I talk about scientific warehousing, doesn't mean that you put the bag from the truck and stack it. There is a process. You have to take 2 hands of alleyways. You cannot put the food grain directly to the walls or directly to the floor. You have to put a dunnage, for example, wooden crates or whatever you can say, BP film or something. Because if you put directly on there, then it will absorb the moisture. And there is a stack height also. It cannot go much more than that. And there is a gap between 1 stack to 2 stack, which we call that gangways. So that if any fire incident or anything happen, then it will be very easier. Now type of warehousing, as I said, general warehouse, agriculture warehouse, industrial warehouse, bonded warehouse, temperature controlled and cold storage. As you are all very aware that none of the CPSUs are directly related to their core services. All have been given directions by the ministry, please get into diversification. So we are also diversifying from agriculture warehouse to industrial warehouse, bonded warehouse, temperature controlled and cold warehouse. No one has ever think that Flipkart and Amazon are our major partners. Reliance is our major partner. They are using our storage spaces. Role of CWC in logistics and warehousing, as I told you that we are doing third party logistics also. Now e-Mandi, we are also connected with e-Mandi. We know the pricing and all these things. So it is a simple thing which you all know very well. Now an initiative by CWC to connect the grassroots, which I told you, the farmer project organizations. We are working with APART here in Guwahati and all the farmers association and giving trainings and lectures about all these things. Now this is very important topic. I want the attention of all the participants. Now this is warehousing development and regulatory authority. It is very important thing. If you want to store your product into our warehouses, then you will get a 30% rebate on tariff. Second is that if you want to take a loan from that commodity which you have stored in my warehouse, suppose you have a stacked rice of 2000 bags and you want loan from me. In past days, you go to Arti or some other persons in Mandi and you put your stock there and take the loan, which you have to give a very high interest and all these things. If you want to take a loan from that commodity and you want to use that money into your next cropping season or into next agricultural produce, then you have to get into WDRA, Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority, and Government of India has nominated us. When you put your stock inside me, then I will give you a e-negotiable warehouse receipt, ENWR. It is called ENWR. Then I will give you ENWDR. What is in ENWR? If you go to any nationalized bank and go there, pledge that and get 75% of loan from that commodity instantaneously. We also did KYC also. You have no issue, no burdens, nothing to walk from daily running to banks and getting from loans. If you get it that, it is a mandate for bank to give you a loan by Ministry of Agriculture. Now, why our persons, different sectors of persons are doing business with CWC? As I told you that we are commodity specific solutions for prolonged storage of farmers' producer. We are professional web-based management, and easy access to pan-India exporter importers through CWC wide warehousing equipped with complete logistics solution. Cost-effective warehousing, HMT facilities, banking loan to support the farmer through ENWR, as I told it, and 100% digital working. In my corporation, there is no paperwork. We are working in e-office, and all the things are digital. So, in a nutshell, as I has told that time is a constant for me. So, I have tried my level best to cover all the aspects of CWC in respect of warehousing and logistics. If you have any doubt,